Looking to become a certified Scrum Master in 2024? In a world where agility is the key to success, Scrum Master certifications have become more relevant than ever. They are not only a proof of your expertise, but also an indicator of your commitment to continuous learning and improvement. The demand for certified Scrum Masters is on the rise, making it an excellent time to get certified. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 most in-demand Scrum Master certifications this year, starting with the Certified Scrum Master, or CSM. This certification is highly recognized in the Agile community and is offered by the Scrum Alliance. It is one of the most sought-after credentials for individuals seeking to establish their careers in Scrum and Agile methodologies. To obtain the CSM certification, you would need to attend a 2-day training course led by a certified Scrum trainer. This course will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of Scrum, including its principles, roles, and practices. Following the training, you would need to pass an online exam to officially become a certified Scrum Master. The benefits of obtaining the CSM certification are manifold. It not only demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth, but also equips you with the skills needed to effectively facilitate Scrum teams and drive Agile projects. With CSM, you gain a strong foundation in Scrum principles and practices. Next up is the Advanced Certified Scrum Master, also known as ACSM. This certification is a stepping stone for Scrum Masters who have a year of experience and want to boost their Scrum knowledge. Offered by Scrum Alliance, a globally recognized institution, this certification helps you delve deeper into the Scrum framework. To obtain the ACSM, you must first have a Certified Scrum Master certification and at least 1 year of work experience as a Scrum Master. The course involves a 2-day training program, post which you'll need to successfully complete an online test. The benefits? Well, with an ACSM, you position yourself as a seasoned Scrum Master, ready to handle complex projects. It showcases your commitment to continuous learning and sets you apart in the job market. Plus, it equips you with the tools to better serve your team and your organization. ACSM allows you to take your Scrum Master skills to the next level. The third certification on our list is the Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master, or CSPSM. This esteemed credential is offered by the Scrum Alliance, a global non-profit organization committed to fostering successful practices in Agile and Scrum. To attain CSPSM, you must first hold an Advanced Certified Scrum Master (ACSM) certification, and then demonstrate your real-world experience and knowledge of Scrum through a rigorous application and review process. The CSPSM is not just a piece of paper, it's a testament to your advanced understanding of Scrum, your skill in navigating complex Agile projects, and your ability to facilitate high-performing Scrum teams. This certification can open doors to senior roles in project management and Agile coaching. It gives you a competitive edge in the job market and validates your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth. In conclusion, CSPSM is a testament to your advanced understanding and application of Scrum. Let's explore the Professional Scrum Master, or PSM certification. This is a highly recognized certification in the Agile community, offered by scrum.org. It's designed for professionals who want to validate and demonstrate their understanding of Scrum framework. To earn this certification, you'll need to pass a rigorous examination that tests your knowledge of Scrum theory, principles, and practices. The PSM exam is not just about memorizing and regurgitating information, it's about understanding and applying Scrum in real-world situations. The benefits of holding a PSM certification are numerous. It not only enhances your career prospects, but also boosts your credibility in the Agile and Scrum spaces. With a PSM certification, you demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and your ability to effectively apply Scrum in complex situations. In essence, the PSM certification is a testament to your expertise and dedication to the Scrum framework. PSM certification ensures you have a deep understanding of Scrum and its applications. Our 5th certification is the Safe Scrum Master. Delving into the details, The SAFe or Scaled Agile Framework Scrum Master certification is a notch above the rest. This certification is uniquely offered by the Scaled Agile Academy. To acquire it, you need to complete a 2-day course followed by a rigorous exam. What sets the SAFe Scrum Master apart is its focus on the application of Scrum principles on a grand scale. It's not just about mastering the Scrum methodology, but about understanding how to apply it across large, complex organizations. This certification is for those who aim to orchestrate agile teams in a larger enterprise context, ensuring that the Scrum principles are not lost in translation as they are scaled up. The benefits? Well, it equips you with the skills to facilitate team interactions, manage risks, and address impediments on a larger scale. This certification is a stepping stone towards becoming an enterprise leader in agile practices. With SAFe Scrum Master, you're equipped to scale Scrum principles across large organizations. Next, we have the Professional Scrum Master 2, or PSM2. This certification is offered by Scrum.org, a leading organization in Scrum training and certification. The PSM2 is a testament to your deep understanding of Scrum principles and your ability to apply and adapt them in complex real-world situations. To obtain this certification, you're required to pass the PSM2 assessment, a challenging scenario-based exam that tests your ability to apply Scrum theory and principles. Now, before you start panicking, remember that experience and a deep understanding of Scrum are your best allies here. The benefits? Well, the PSM2 certification is globally recognized, making you more attractive to employers worldwide. It signifies your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth. Plus, it positions you as a leader, capable of guiding teams and organizations on their Scrum journeys. PSM2 is a certification that signifies your advanced competency in Scrum. Last, but certainly not least, is the Certified Scrum Trainer, or CST. In the realm of Scrum certifications, the CST is considered the crown jewel. It is offered by the Scrum Alliance, a globally recognized organization that has been a pillar of the Agile community since its inception. This certification is not just a token of expertise, but a testament to one's deep understanding of Scrum principles and practices, and the ability to effectively train others in these concepts. Earning the CST is no small feat. It requires a serious commitment and a high level of expertise. The prerequisites are stringent. You must hold an active Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master, or CSPSM certification, have a minimum of 14 years of general work experience, and at least 7 years of experience in Scrum or Agile. You also need to demonstrate your training skills by co-training with an existing CST or a Scrum Alliance approved coach. The process is rigorous, but the rewards are substantial. As a CST, you're not just a Scrum expert, you're a recognized leader in the field. You have the ability to shape the Scrum journey of others, guiding teams and organizations as they navigate the complexities of agile transformations. You become part of an exclusive community of Scrum trainers who are constantly learning, growing, and contributing to the advancement of Scrum and Agile methodologies. But the benefits don't stop there. With the CST certification, you're also granted the ability to offer Certified Scrum Master, Certified Scrum Product Owner, and Certified Scrum Developer courses. This opens up new career avenues, allowing you to provide training and certification to others, and establishing you as a credible and sought-after authority in the field. Remember, the journey to becoming a CST is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a genuine passion for Scrum. But once you achieve it, the possibilities are boundless. The CST is not just a certification, it's a commitment to lifelong learning and continuous improvement in the world of Scrum. CST is the ultimate certification, enabling you to train others in Scrum. So there you have it, the 7 most in-demand Scrum Master certifications in 2024. Let's take a moment to recap. The Certified Scrum Master, or CSM, provides a solid foundation for Scrum and Agile methodologies. It's an excellent starting point for those new to the field. The Advanced Certified Scrum Master, or ACSM, builds on this foundation, offering a deeper understanding and a chance to hone your skills. Then we have the Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master, or CSPSM, which demonstrates a mastery of both Scrum principles and real-world application. It's a prestigious certification that truly sets you apart. The Professional Scrum Master, or PSM, and its advanced version, PSM2, are recognized globally. They focus on a deep understanding of Scrum and the ability to apply it effectively in different contexts. The Safe Scrum Master certification provides a valuable perspective on scaling Scrum for larger organizations. It's a key certification for those looking to take their Scrum skills to a larger stage. Finally, the Certified Scrum Trainer, or CST, is the pinnacle of Scrum certification. It demonstrates not just a mastery of Scrum, but also the ability to teach others. It's a significant achievement that carries a lot of weight in the industry. Remember, the right certification can set you apart in the competitive field of Scrum mastery. Choose wisely and invest in your future.